Saving $10,000 might feel impossible right now. Bills rising, wages flat, life expensive. But here's the truth. Thousands of people on average or low incomes have done it without winning the lottery or eating beans for a year. You don't need luck. You need a plan. And in this video, I'll walk you through it. 10,000 isn't just a number. It's peace of mind. It's quitting a toxic job without panic. It's breathing room when life hits hard. This is your first real step toward freedom. Let's bust the myths. You need to earn loads to save. There's no point saving when prices are high. People like me don't build wealth. Rubbish. Plenty of people with modest incomes save. They just do it differently. £10,000 sounds huge, and that's why most people give up before they begin. Forget that number. Focus on your first £100, then £1,000. Step by step, momentum is more powerful than motivation. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a no idea where it's going problem. Start tracking every pound. You can't fix what you can't see. All right, so here's a system. 60% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 10% for savings. Now, don't panic, okay? Even if you're saving just 1% right now, hey, start there. The important thing is to build the habit first, then scale it later. This isn't about cutting all joy from your life. It's about trimming what you don't value. Are you really using all those subscriptions? Could you eat out once less a week? Cut the waste. Keep what matters. Look for silent budget killers. Unused apps, forgotten auto renewals, daily 4-pound coffees. Clean them up. Redirect that money to your goal. Don't rely on willpower. Set up an automatic transfer the day you get paid. Even £20 is enough to start. If it never hits your main account, you'll never miss it. Saving isn't exciting, it's repetition. It's doing the same small thing week after week until suddenly it adds up. Consistency beats intensity. Don't save just in case. That's vague. Give your money a mission. Emergency fund, deposit, debt-free buffer. Clear goals keep you going when motivation dips. Use a separate savings account, preferably one without instant access. This isn't for tapping into when Deliveroo tempts you. This is your escape plan. Trim to 10K tracker. Coloring your progress. Sounds cheesy, but it works. Visual motivation builds momentum. Want to stop impulse buying? Make it harder. Remove saved cards. Turn off one-click shopping. The more steps it takes, the less likely you'll cave. You don't need a second job. But can you sell unused stuff? Ask for more hours? Even £50 a month equals £600 a year. That fast-tracks your savings. In an upcoming video, I'll break down 10 realistic side hustles you can start with zero budget. No fluff, no scams. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Test yourself with a no-spend week. No extras, no impulse buys, just the essentials. You'll learn more about your habits in 7 days than in months of budgeting. Got a raise? Great, but don't let spending rise with it. Lock in your lifestyle and let the gap grow. That's your savings engine. Name your savings account something powerful. Freedom Fund or Do Not Touch. Or keep it at a different bank entirely. Make spending inconvenient. You will mess up. Impulse buys, emergencies, a month where nothing goes right. It's not failure, it's life. Adjust and move on. Your brain wants reward now. It doesn't care about future you. Every time you choose to save, you're retraining it. That's strength. Saving isn't all grind. Hit £500, £2,000, celebrate. Not with spending, with something that matters. A walk, a journal entry, a small moment of pride. Car breakdown? Big bill? That's why you're saving. That money didn't disappear. It saved you from stress or debt. Job done. Around 3,000 to 5,000, something shifts. You feel safer, more confident. And suddenly, saving doesn't feel like deprivation, it feels like control. You're not just trying to save, you're someone who does. You're a builder, a planner, a protector of your future. That identity is stronger than any habit. Step 1. Know your numbers. Step 2. Automate. Step 3. Set a goal. Step 4. Boost income. Step 5. Protect your savings. This works. One step at a time. You deserve to feel safe with money, to sleep without worry, to build a life with options. This is how that starts. Small steps, big change. Coming soon, easy side hustles for extra income, how to stop emotional spending, the best apps to track and grow your savings. If that's your vibe, stick with us. If this helped, subscribe for real-world financial tools, no jargon, no shame. MoneyPatch is here to help you build wealth from wherever you are, one smart move at a time. You've got this. Not someday, now. Let's build something real together.